Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Hot 40i and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find passwords and security. Then let's simply tap on the fingerprint. And if you've got your screen lock currently set, you will have to apply it to confirm. If not, you will have to add the regular screen lock, like the pattern pin or password right now. Because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device with the pattern pin or password, so be aware. So let me draw it, and now all we have to do is to tap on Add Fingerprint. Of course, we've got the instructions, so the fingerprint sensor is located on the power button on the right side of our device, on the power button. So all we have to do is to put our finger on it, and then we will be able to add the fingerprint. So let's tap on Next. And right now, we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. So try to catch every part for better recognition, and right now the edges of the fingerprint. Okay, so that's quite fast in this device. So all we have to do is to tap on Finish. And here we've got our fingerprint management. At the top we've got the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it here. Let's go back. We can view enrolled fingerprints, add another fingerprint. I believe we can add up to 5 different fingerprints in this device. It's quite, I would say, a regular amount of the fingerprints. Here we can also decide for what we want to use the fingerprint for, so the unlock, screen lock, access up lock, access exit, and that's up to you. And more settings, since application unlock when screen is off. Here it is quite important. I highly recommend to use all the option at the top, because whenever you will choose this one, you will have to put the finger on the power button and press it, and in this one just tap on it, so it is a little bit easier and more comfortable, at least for me. Alright, enough of talking, let's lock the device and let me put my finger on the sensor. Okay, and the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.